Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Molly. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm going to be doing my weekly lunch meal prep for you for this week. I'm gonna make some high protein burrito bowls. I love Chipotle, so does my husband. We're big Chipotle fans. So I'm gonna make some kind of like a copycat Chipotle burrito bowl. So this month, the month of September, is National Rice Month. And if you've been around my channel, you know how much I love celebrating national food holidays. So the whole month of September is National Rice Month. And a lot of you don't know this, but I farm rice in Northern California with my family. And we are in the thick of rice harvest right now. We are harvesting the rice, we are sending it to the dryers, and it is gonna be milled and packaged and ready for your table very soon. So I love being a part of agriculture, being a part of growing food that people all over the world eat. It is really, really special to be involved with this, and especially working alongside my family. So I know I haven't shared that a lot with you guys, but farming rice is part of my life. So for this meal prep this week, I'm going to be using Planet Rice for the burrito bowls. So this rice, it's grown in Northern California, and it is a really, really great company. I just want to tell you a little bit about Planet Rice, and it's all here on the packaging, but it is a sprouted brown rice. So it is 10 times GABA, 7 times magnesium, 7 times the fiber, and 3 times oryzanol of white rice. So it is way healthier than white rice. It leaves a milder, sweeter flavor, and it says right on here, even kids love it, and my kids, they definitely love this rice. We make it all the time. It has a softer, less chewy texture than regular brown rice, and it cooks 20% faster. I love that. Other brown rices really take a long time to cook, which, I mean, they're great, but anything to make cooking a little bit quicker, you guys all know that I love that. So it is healthier, it's tastier, it cooks quicker, and the family loves it. So it's awesome. A little bit about GABA is that studies show that it promotes calmness, it increases restful sleep, and it lowers anxiety. So this Planet Rice sprouted brown rice, it is delicious, it's healthy, it is amazing. So I love it. I've been using it, we've been eating it forever, but it's available on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description box if you want to check it out. It is really, really good. So I'm going to be adding this to the burrito bowls. I have some chicken that's been marinating in fajita seasoning, and we're going to put it on the Blackstone, and I'm going to make the corn salsa that they do with Chipotle and make up these burrito bowls. It is going to be a delicious, healthy, high protein lunch ready to go for the week. So I will get it all made up. But if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, click the bell button next to subscribe so you get a notification when I post new videos. So I'm gonna get all this lunch made up, show you how you make it, and celebrating National Rice Month. I'm gonna make my rice first. I have 1.5 cups of chicken broth. You can use regular water or beef broth. I love this better than bouillon mix, so you just mix with water. And then I'm going to add in my Planet Rice. So I'm going to use 1 cup of rice to the 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to bring this to a boil. Once it's boiling, I'm going to give it one more little stirs to make sure everything is mixed up. I'm going to put the lid on and let this steam. I'm going to turn the heat down to low and let this cook, and I'm not going to take the lid off until it's done. That's a really big thing. You don't want to keep taking the lid off. So the rice is so perfect, and like I said, this is a quick cooking brown rice, so it takes about 20 minutes, but super delicious and really easy. I love this rice. All right, I have my husband out on the Blackstone, and he put some oil on it to get it ready for the chicken that's been marinating. He's my Blackstone cooker. I am not a pro on the Blackstone, so definitely let him take care of that part. So this chicken, I diced it up, and we're just gonna grill it up. And Blackstone is so awesome. I don't know if you have ever used a Blackstone before, but it's really, really quick, and everything comes out so delicious. So we love doing chicken fajitas. Love doing smash burgers, but so good and really quick and easy to use, but I'm not a pro, so definitely leave this to my husband to do. All right, so the chicken is done, super quick and easy, and just love it grilled up on the Blackstone. I'm gonna make the corn salsa. So I have a can of corn, I have some chopped up onion, I'm gonna add in some diced green chilies, a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and then I have some lemon juice. And I kind of changed the Chipotle corn salsa a little bit. I am not a big fan of cilantro, so I left that out and added in the green chilies. All right, so everything is ready to go to assemble into the burrito bowls. These are gonna be so delicious. Like I said, delicious, healthy, high in protein. So really great lunch to have for this week. I have my chicken that we cooked on the Blackstone, the Planet rice, and corn salsa, some black beans and cheese. So I am gonna put everything together and lunch will be ready for the week. Thanks for being here for this week's lunch meal prep video. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Hope that you have a really great day. Make sure you check out Planet Rice. I will link it in my description box. It is seriously so good. And so is this whole meal prep. Definitely an awesome Chipotle little at-home burrito bowl. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.